Hello everyone. A lot of you guys are concerned and has been asking me about the opinion on SMR or in general asking me about what is that power stocks or power names taking the bidding and what is my opinion, how I'm planning to play the swings on this particular stock here. So I'm going to quickly jump into this one. I'm going to share some of the key levels that I'm looking for entry and what will be my average in areas or where I can expect price action to somewhat head back down even more if there is, and looking to average in. Eventually, I'll be sharing my targets here for profit taking. The number one thing I would like to point out to is this one particular level, which is I think 11.20. I see that price action has a history of with this price action here, price level here. Price action seems to retrace to this level and bounces off it. We can see that it has previously bounced off from this level, and recently, as I zoom in here, price action did a test on this particular price level and bounced off it, right? That is a very good sign. We also got a green dot on a daily, so looks like that is a nice entry zone here. At least for the entry, this is not a bad idea. So I did take open an entry here. My average is on this green candle here. Price action is still hanging out. That doesn't mean I'm expecting price action to bounce off right away. Now, looking at a weekly here, you can see the level makes it more sense. Price action continues to bounce. It's still in a red dot here, so it's still in a downtrend. I'm looking for price action to somewhat finish this downtrend here and turn into an uptrend. Same thing on a monthly. I can expect another third top here. I know it has been in a profit taking phase. It comes to one of the key levels here. Worst case scenario, if it loses it back down here, I can expect it to come back to 8.05. Worst case scenario, obviously, and eventually it should turn into a nice uptrend to a third top here somewhere and then break higher for all-time high. That will be my ambitious targets. Let's go back. So yeah, my I think this is a very good area for the entry on SMR. As long as it hangs out, consolidates here, and eventually heads back up to this marked pink band or the channel, I would like to see a nice bounce over here. That is still a short-term profit here, going from $11 to almost $16 in a short term. That will be definitely my very first target here. And then after that, I would like price action to somewhat come back up here. That will be my second target, 27.67. I feel like it has done a first shoulder here, then it did somewhat ahead, and I would like to see a third shoulder, but I would like to see it even higher than the previous one, which is almost at 37.83. So yeah, that is where I would like to lock in a lot of profits here, and ultimately I want price action to break higher than the all-time high. I still think these are very ambitious targets for this SMR, but in a year, in a 6 month hold, or probably even 1.5 year, this stock will definitely make a lot of you guys a millionaire out there. So yeah, I have my entry position open. I'm looking for a average in or scaling opportunity sometime soon. If I don't get it, that is completely okay. I hope I don't get any scaling opportunity on this one and it price action bounces off right there. Also, it's a power sector related, so these stocks pump or squeeze through based on a event based. Hopefully some war news, ending of the war, and some additional news pumps this particular one, and we all make an amazing profit on that. If you have any other name stickers that you would like to get the opinion on, some key levels that you want me to point out, and some entry areas and pricing targets for the big long term swings, feel free to reach out and share the names so I can make another video for you guys. Follow my swing trading video strategy. Thank you.